Good morning, guys. Leanne here on GradysMom, starting a new week of what I packed my husband for lunch. If you are new here, I have an entire playlist of these lunch videos from over the years, which I will leave in the description box down below. So it's Monday. I'm packing Matt up the cooler with a ginger ale, a watermelon Propel water, and of course, as always, the water cooler. I did some egg salad this week for food prep, and I'm using this really hearty, fresh baked, locally made bread. My mom actually gave it to me. She got it from the bakery. It was nice and fresh and hearty. It's like a hearty white bread. It's really, really dense. Again, with some egg salad, and then I have some cheese in there as well. And that's a really heavy sandwich. I also made, for food prep this week, up some containers and baggies of mixed nuts. So I have some lower salt roasted salted almonds. I've got some pumpkin spice pumpkin seeds, and then some roasted salted pecans in there as well. Some cheese from Sargento, it's like a cheddar cheese stick, and then a vanilla almond chewy coated and drizzled granola bar from Trader Joe's. So this is Matt's lunch today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a brisk lemon iced tea, a Propel berry water, and of course, as always, the water cooler. The sandwich you guys saw me make on the Anzio roll with rare roast beef. We've got some cheddar cheese, spring mix, and some mayo. One of these little nut things I made up for food prep this week. This one has roasted pecans, lower salt almonds, and then pumpkin spice pumpkin seeds as well. A extra large sweet and salty pretzel, peanut, and chocolate granola bar, and then a mozzarella stick wrapped in pepperoni by the Volpe brand. And this is his lunch today. We'll see you tomorrow. Morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a watermelon Propel, a Arizona Arnold Palmer half and half iced tea lemonade, an egg salad wrap, which you guys saw me make on the jalapeno cheddar wrap, with some sharp cheddar, some jalapeno aioli, and then some spring mix, a few of the Duke's smoked sausages, a sharp cheddar cheese Sargento stick, and then some cut up celery and peanut butter for dipping. Matt loves celery and peanut butter. So this is lunch today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so for lunch today, I'm giving Matt a Dr. Pepper, a Arnold Palmer iced tea lemonade, and the same sandwich as yesterday, essentially. On this Anzio roll. These are pretty light, airy sandwiches as far as the bread goes. Roast beef, cheddar, spring mix, and then some mayo. Just one snack today because I'm giving him, as you guys saw, the soup. So I let the boiling hot water sit in here for longer than I did previously in previous times. About a half an hour I let the boiling water sit in here. Usually I think it was like 15 minutes, so I let it go a half an hour because that's really as long as I have before Matt has to leave for work. This granola bar here is the Trader Joe's Nutty Chocolate chewy coated and drizzled. And in case you're wondering, this is stuffed pepper soup that I made for food prep this week. I've been really enjoying it this week at home. I had a nice big bowl the past couple days, so I'm giving Matt some now, and then we have just enough left to have like a little side cup with a dinner this week. But it's a really, really good soup, and it's very hearty, so that's why I'm only going to give him one snack, because this is kind of like having 2 sandwiches. But anyways, this is lunch today. We'll see you tomorrow on Friday. Hey guys, good morning. It's Friday. We made it to the end of the week. Today I'm giving Matt a brisk lemon iced tea, a Dr. Pepper, and of course, as always, the water cooler. Using up the last of the roast beef. So same sandwich as the past 2 days. FYI, he loves roast beef and could eat it every day. I just don't give it to him every day because I don't want him having roast beef every day. But this is the last of it. I thought I would use it up. Again, cheddar, roast beef, spring mix, mayo. Grady and I made a little cake last night, so I gave him a small piece of the cake since he didn't want any last night. It's just like a little yellow cake with like little black and orange funfetti, and then like a Halloween, you know, frosting and sprinkles. And then I did get a few of these yogurts, 50 cents, so I decided to give Matt one, just a mixed berry yogurt. He's not a huge fan of yogurt like me, but he does like one every once in a while. So I think I might throw in a banana. I'm not really sure yet because this is kind of light, so I'll probably throw in a piece of fruit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed lunch for the week. It was very simple, but sometimes that's the way it goes. But I hope you enjoyed it. I'll link my entire playlist of these videos from over the years down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.